Hi everyone! Today we're preparing tofu. Many of us tried tofu already and realized it simply tastes plain, like nothing. And it's true. If you try tofu just as is, it's just a plain mess that tastes like nothing. However, the answer lies in the preparation. If you don't know already, let me show you my way. I eat a lot of tofu, so we usually buy a value pack. But to start with, let's drain the water. For the meal tonight, I only need half of the tofu. But what's the best way to store the other half? In a container, in the fridge. It's important to add water again and replace it after a day or so. The tofu has been sitting in water, and that's why it's full of water, and that's the main reason why it can't take on any flavors. So it's a crucial step to press out the water, and the longer the better. If you have another 20 to 30 minutes to spare, perfect. If it's only 10 minutes, better than nothing. So what you want to do, you grab some kitchen towels, you wrap it up, and you put it between two plates. Then you place something heavy on it. Now we wait another 5 to 10 minutes, and then we replace the kitchen towels and do it over again. In the meantime, set a timer, do something else, cook something else, or as I like to do, play with the puppies. You can already see how damp the towels are, so it's good to replace them and do it one more time. Then, after pressing, you can cut or crumble the tofu depending on the meal you're making. For now, I'll cut it in cubes. Then, we're going to place it in a bowl. I like to add some tamari or sometimes a bit of olive oil, but it really depends on the meal I'm making, so I'm trying to match whatever else is going in the pan. The same goes for the spices. It really depends on the dish. However, as a standard, I add some ginger and turmeric powder because of the amazing benefits to gut health. Today, I'll also add some dried herbs like oregano and rosemary. If you have another 10 minutes to spare, that's great. Let it sit and soak up the flavor. Otherwise, from this moment on, you can either bake it or fry it, depending on what you're cooking. I hope this video helped. I'm gonna go fry up this amazing tofu now. So take care and give tofu a chance. See you next time.